Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by identifying the exact account you need to recover. Type the full email or username into the provider's sign-in page. Once done, choose Forgot Password and pick the recovery channel, text, call, or backup email based on what you prepared. Make sure you're on a trusted device and network because providers flag unfamiliar environments. If prompted, enter the last password you remember to speed verification. This helps the system narrow options and increases your chance of automated recovery. Next, complete the provider's verification flow carefully. When a code is sent, type it exactly and don't navigate away. If simple codes fail, select the manual review option, upload a government ID, or provide account creation details such as month/year of first sign-in. Explain any discrepancies in the appeal text box clearly and concisely. Keep notes of device names, recent IPs, and backup codes. These prove ownership. Be patient. Manual reviews can take hours to several days depending on the provider. Finally, once you regain access, set a unique, strong password and turn on two-step verification to stop repeat attacks. Update recovery contacts and scan account settings for forwarding rules or linked apps you don't recognize. Remove them. Make a fresh login from your main device and review recent activity to confirm nothing else changed. If recovery fails or account remains locked, pause and retry after 24 to 72 hours with additional proof, and contact support with clear evidence to escalate the case.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.